How to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, we need to open App Store on iOS or Play Store on Android. Launch it. Now search for Instagram using search icon in the search bar. If there is any update available, tap update button and update it to the latest version. Then you need to restart the app and check if the issue is fixed. If not, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Also, you can follow the next step if didn't help you. Tap open and access Instagram. Head towards profile icon at bottom right. And now, you simply need to try switching to a professional or business account. Simply you can head towards three-line icon at top right, scroll down, and you will see Creator Tools and Control where you can see switch to professional account as well, or if you have already you can add new professional account. Tap the next button, choose the best category and select switch to professional account and enter your phone and email and verify your phone number, and you have to do the 7-step completion to set up your profile and you'll have the professional account. And with that, your GIFs not working on Instagram will be surely fixed. So that's all for today. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.